Hello everyone. So today we have very nice algebra problem for you. So how to solve this? If x plus 1 upon x is root 3, then we have to find x to the power 100 plus 1 upon x to the power 100. So solution: x plus 1 upon x is given as under root 3. Now we are going to cube on both sides. So cube is equals root 3 cube. Now we know a plus b cube is equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So using this identity we will have a cube, that is x cube, plus b cube, that is 1 upon x cube, plus 3 times x times 1 upon x times x plus 1 upon x. Now this implies x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus this x will cancel out, so we'll have 3 times x plus 1 upon x. So this is equals to root 3 cube is equals root 3 cube. Again, as per question, this value has given x plus 1 upon x is root 3. So putting this value, we'll have x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 times root 3 is equals root 3 cube. So we know root 3 cube is 3 root 3. So how? See, root 3 cube can be written as root 3 square times root 3. And we know root 3 square is 3 to the power half times 2 times root 3. So this will become, so exponents will cancel out, so we'll have 3 times root 3. So this will become x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 root 3 is equals 3 root 3. Root 3 cube will be 3 root 3. Now subtracting 3 root 3 from both sides of the equal sign. So any operation on both sides of the equal sign will have no net total effect on the question. So subtracting 3 root 3 from both sides will have x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is equals 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So now we'll have x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So this will cancel out, is equals 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 will be 0 only. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equals 0. Now we have x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equals 0. Now multiply by x cube on both sides of the equal sign. So in order to get it more simplified, we will multiply by x cube on the both sides. So this will become x cube into x cube will be x to the power 6 plus x cube upon x cube is equals 0 times x cube. So this will cancel out and this will become 0. So we'll have x to the power 6 plus 1 is equals 0. Now subtracting minus 1 both sides of the equal sign will have x to the power 6 plus 1 minus 1 is equals minus 1. So we'll have, this will cancel out, so x to the power 6 is equals minus 1. So note down this value. This is very important value for future. Now in order to get the question value, we can write x to the power 100 in terms of x to the power 6. How? See, x to the power 6 to the power 17 will become x to the power 102. But we have to get the value of x to the power 100. Now as per your law of exponent, if a to the power m upon a to the power n is given, so this will become a to the power m minus n. Now in order to get x to the power 100, x to the power 100 is equals, we can write x to the power 102 upon x to the power 2. So this will become, as per the law of exponent, x to the power 102 minus 2. So this will become x to the power 102 minus 2. So it will become x to the power 100 is equals x to the power 102 minus 2, that will x to the power 100. So x to the power 100 can be written as x to the power 102 upon x to the power 2. Now, so in place of x to the power 100, we will write x to the power 6 to the power 17, okay, like this, upon x to the power 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 100, it will become 1 upon x to the power 100 can be written as x to the power 6 to the power 17 upon x to the power 2. Now, so this will move to numerator and this will become x to the power 6 to the power 17 upon x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2 upon x to the power 6 to the power 17. Now, as we obtained x to the power 6 is minus 1. So, putting this value in the question, it will become x to the power 6, we will write minus 1 to the power 17 upon x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2 upon x to the power 6. In place of x to the power 6, we will write minus 1 to the power 17. Now, this will become, so minus 1, when it multiplied 17 times, so this will be minus 1 only. Minus 1 upon x square plus x square upon minus 1. Now, this will become minus 1 upon x square. So this minus will transfer to upward and it will become minus x square upon 1. Now, we will take minus as common, so we will have 1 upon x square plus x square, or we can write it as x square. Interchanging the digit, we will have x square plus 1 upon x square. So using the formula a square plus b square, we will have a plus b square minus 2ab. So here we will have a is x and b will 1 upon x. So this will become a plus b square, that is x plus 1 upon x square minus 2ab. A means x and b will be 1 upon x. So this x will cancel out. Now you will have x plus 1 upon x, as per your question this is root 3. So this will become root 3 square minus 2. So root 3 square, that will be this root and this square will cancel out. So it will become 3 minus 2. One thing you should note, that we are carrying this negative sign as common, so it will be everywhere. So this will become minus 3 minus 2 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. So minus 1 will be your final answer.